And now it's my pleasure. We're going to have a special recognition tonight. The Uterine Fibroid Awareness Month. And I'm going to ask a number of people to come down front and help me introduce it, because you don't want me introducing it. Dr. John Fisher with the Fibroid Institute of Houston. Melissa Riley, the marketing manager of the Fibroid Institute of Houston. Dr. Kimberly Evans, MD, Sugarland Med Spa. Dr. Duke Lee, MD, Sugarland OB GYN Associates. Dr. Deanna McDonald, MD, Sugarland OB GYN Associates. Dr. Naresh Patel, MD, Sugarland OB GYN Associates. And Dr. Nikahd, Kelsey-Seybold, Sugarland. Dr. Kelli Burroughs, MD, Sweetwater OB-GYN Associates. If I could get all of you to come down front, please. John, are you and Melissa? Who's going to introduce it? Let me let you do it. Sure. Yes, sir.
Thank you, Mayor. Appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
Put my eyes on first. In 2021, the state of Texas acknowledged July as Uterine Fibroid Awareness Month in House Bill 1966 with the following goals: to encourage uterine fibroid education and research, to improve methods for identifying signs and symptoms of uterine fibroids, to improve methods for preventing, diagnosing, and treating uterine fibroids, to encourage and establish public education campaigns, including health seminars, medical information panels, community programs, and funding opportunities. I would like to thank Mayor Zimmerman and the members of the Sugarland City Council for this local proclamation and acknowledgement demonstrating their support in this worthy endeavor. Uterine fibroids are non-cancerous muscle tumors of the uterus. They are extremely common, affecting 70% of all women, and disproportionately affect Black women at even higher percentages. They often lead to debilitating symptoms. Public education awareness are very important so that women recognize the early symptoms and are aware of their different treatment options. I've spent much of my 23-year career educating women about and treating fibroids. I'm very fortunate to be joined here today by several of the best women's health physicians in the Sugarland area. These are not just fantastic physicians, but they're wonderful people as well. So thank you for being here, Dr. Burroughs, Dr. Evans, Dr. Nikahd. Together, we will continue to work to educate and provide the best possible care to women in Sugarland with fibroids. Today's proclamation will help us to increase community awareness, further align our local community with the goals established by the House Bill 1966 Texas Proclamation in 2021. Thank you.
And we've got a proclamation to honor Uterine Fibroid Awareness Month, July of 2023. Whereas uterine fibroids are benign tumors that occur in women of all ages, particularly those within their childbearing years, that can grow to be 1/4 of an inch wide, all the way up to the size of a grapefruit, and are estimated to affect upwards of 80% of all women by the time they are 50 years old. And whereas fibroids can cause women to have severe pelvic pain, intense uterine bleeding, infertility, miscarriages, early labor, changes in urinary frequency, and periods of depression, anxiety, and reduced quality of life, which can make normal daily activities difficult to nearly impossible. And whereas Fibroid Awareness Month is utilized to help bring awareness to the diagnosis of fibroids and how they can affect women, as well as how to properly treat them. Although the occurrence of fibroids is higher than any other medical condition in women, the symptoms are all often attributed to other causes, leading to difficulty in remediating the condition. And whereas the city of Sugarland is dedicated to raising awareness about the condition, as well as educating women on what to look out for and how to take care of their well-being. And it's signed Joe Zimmerman on behalf of the Sugarland City Council. So, John, Dr. Fisher. And council, if you would all please come down. I'll get you to step this way. There we go. This will be easier to organize, council. This is not going to be hard at all.